Hi guys, good day, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Yes, this is Rina from Brisk Spring. Hello guys, welcome to our live stream. This is Rina from Brisk Spring. We are a manufacturer specialized in water filtration system in East China, and we are the biggest OEM manufacturer here. Yes. So today, my colleagues Frank and Ute and I will introduce some of our hot-selling products to you. Yes. And so let's start from the water filter. Yes. So as you see, this product in front of me is a regular one. Yes, it's a regular water filter system. It's the spin-down cement water filter. And nowadays, since the water quality is not very good all over the world, maybe because the industrial pollution or the waste management, so that nowadays many people will choose such spin-down cement water filters to remove the impurities in their water, yes, before it reaches to their tap. And this one is the fourth generation. Yes, it's totally different from the first, second, and third generation we produced 10 years ago. Yes, so it is spin-down cement and use the technology of siphon scraping. Yes, it's a siphon technology we choose to use. And maybe some of them are not familiar with these such products. So I'd like to tell you about the reason why we should choose a water filter to install in our house today. The first reason is that the concerned water quality, right? And the second one is that if you don't install such a water filter, then if you have bought a reverse osmosis water system, or if you buy the water dispenser or something else or something else. Yes, or something else that this product will be blocked. The cartridge, the reverse osmosis cartridge, will be blocked. Yes, easily. So the other function of the water filter lies in that it can protect the other water filter systems in your household. And yes, so it means if you purchase this pre-filter, it can save your money because it's cost effective. Yes. Hello friends, welcome to our live stream. And as you see, so here are the two main reasons that why we should choose the water filter, and the reason why more and more people have the conscientiousness to use such kind of product. And let's move on to introduce this kind. Okay, as you see here, yes, As you see here, there are some main components. On the top is the brass head, and you can, as you see here, printed our brand's logo, Brisk Spring. So if you are an importer and want to print your logo, you can just tell me or tell my colleagues, and we will help you to choose a good customization for you. So here is the brass head, and to prevent it from leakage, here are the two TPFE sealing gaskets inside the two hex nuts. Yes. So now since it is installed, so you can see it. Yes, and the brass head, as well as the two hex nuts, and the this bolt valve here are all made of low lead brass. I know that for some places there are some restrictions for the lead in the lead in the brass. So what can we do? Our engineers have developed a technology that is to isolate the lead from the brass head. Yes. So if you need that one, you can change it. Yes, it is this brass head I showed you now is H59 1. Yes, so it is low lead. It is not lead free. If you want a lead free, then you can choose our isolated lead technology. Yes. So here is the head part. So what about this part? This is the main part, right? Outside is the filter bottle, and inside is the filter cartridge and the filter mesh. So let me introduce them to you one by one. Inside is the filter mesh, and it is all the filter meshes, no matter the first generation or like the fourth generation or the seventh or the latest generation. All these filter mesh, the material of these meshes are made of SS316L. So that means it is the most rust proof, because we use the best stainless steel to improve it. And that is the filter mesh. What about the scraper? The scraper inside is made of plastic and silicon. Yes, the plastic is the main part, and there are some silicon parts to scrape the impurities from to make it leave from the filter mesh and leave it from the whole plastic scraper. Yes, that is the material of it. And you may be wondering, what about the technology of the scraping? Yes, the technology of the scraping is double phase thorough scraping. What does that mean? Okay, you can think about it from the name that it's a double phase. So on the one side, it is to you can remove the impurities from the impurities inserted in the filter mesh to drag it out. So that is the first side, and for the other side, it is that the impurities that is on the scraper can be easily removed from the scraper. Yes, so that is the second point. So that it is composes the double phase. And what about why we say that it's thorough scraping? The first is that it can clean the filter inside and outside, and apart from that, it is use the siphon technology, as I said just now, so that the siphon, like the function of the toilet. Yes, it also uses the principle of siphon. Yes, we can use the siphon technology here to make it thorough. That means all the filter, all the impurities such as sand, rust can be easily dragged out. Yes, since the double phase scraping and the siphon when the water flows. Yes, when the water flows, so that it can be cleaned thoroughly. And what about this is the core technology of this generation, and actually we are now developing the 10th generation. That is the core technology is a little different from that. It is water driven. So that means when you open any tap in your household, then the filter will be driven by the water, so that the filter mesh and the scraping part will be cleaned by the water when the water flows it. Yes, so that it is water driven. And okay, so what about the impurities be removed, stored? Yes, as you can see here, it's the store part of the filter. All the impurities such as sand, rust, and insect eggs will be stored in this black part, and only if I open the ball valve, then it will be removed from this store part. So that is the principle. I think it's easy to understand for you. Okay, so that is the drain ball valve part. And what if the big particles block the water filter? Yes, block the filter mesh or block the scraper. Then you can just do as what I do now. That is to spin this filter, spin this black part. Yes, and you can see the filter inside. Yes, as you can see the water inside, the filter inside and the scraper inside will will follow what I do, right? It will rotate. Yes. Hello, friend. Welcome to our live stream. So that is the function. If you find that it is blocked. That is the way to resolve it. And for the installation, here for the installation, most of the people will choose to install the pre-filter before the water reaches to the tap, and that means they will install it on the main water pipeline. So here on our menu, we have the product installation part. Yes, as you can see, we recommend you to install it on as what the menu suggests. That is, after the main inlet valve, and you can install it in the water pipe. Yes, and to fix the hex nut, and the water will go through from this water outlet pipe. Yes, and then that stimulates the main water line in your home, so that you can open the ball valve here. That means you open the water tap in your house. Yes, like this. So it's so that the water filter will work. Yes, and that is the main part of the water filter. And now I like to share with you one point, that is how to choose the filter mesh. As I introduced to you before, the material is SS316L, and it's rust proof. So what about the micron rating? We have 40 micron, yes, and 50 micron, 100 micron, and even 300 micron for you to choose, because we have considered different water qualities in many areas, so that the bigger microns may allow more particles to go through the mesh, and to reduce the filtering efficiency. But on the other point is that if you use the too precise filter rating meshes, then it will be easily to blocked in the areas that the water quality is not good, often contain the rust, sands, and other impurities. So if you think that the water quality in your community is not very good, then we recommend that you can choose like 50 micron rating or the 100 micron rating. Yes, so that it's better than 10 micron or 40 micron, right? And if you have no idea what should I choose, then you can send us messages, and our technician will evaluate what micro rating meshes you should use, and send you samples to test. Yes, so that is the part of how to choose the correct mesh. And yes, that is the how to choose the mesh part. So, guys, if you have any questions of this product, you can just send me questions, or send us inquiries if you are interested in it. And my colleagues Frank and it will answer you as soon as possible. Yes, as you know that we are a comprehensive water filter system manufacturer in East China, and till now we have done OEM for brands like iSpring, Honeywell, and Philip, and so many other brands that we have the experience to do the OEM, and we are willing to provide services for you. Yes, so just contact us if you have any interest or inquiry on the product, like the water filter, the reverse osmosis water system, and even the water leak detector, and the water descaler. Yes, all of these products are very important or to see necessary in our daily life to make sure that we have a good quality of the drinking water, or to protect other appliances in your household. So that is the function and the reason why we should choose such product, and that is we Brisk Springs mission. Yes, so guys, now here is a section of my part, and next my colleague, also my partner Frank, will introduce the other product to you. Yes, it's hot selling. Yes, so let's welcome Frank.
Thank you, Rina, for your wonderful introduction about the pre-filter. So, hello everyone. As Rina already mentioned, I'm Frank, and welcome to our live broadcast today. And I'm Frank. So it's my time around, and I'm excited to be here and to share something of ignorance of great significances with all of you. So as we all know, water is the source of life, and what we don't know is that the tap water or well water we use daily often contains impurities and microorganisms that can impact on our health. Isn't it horrible? So can you imagine that some tiny impurities and such as heavy metals, pesticides, bacteria, and viruses, and other contaminants in the water you are drinking every day? Maybe it won't have any impact for you for a little while, but over time, there may be a major issues. So therefore, ensuring the quality of our drinking water is crucial for maintaining good health. These pollutants in the water we daily use can have adverse effects on our bodies with accumulation, leading to illnesses or long-term health issues. Moreover, when it comes to the well-being of our children and family, ensuring water quality becomes even more critical. Children are often more vulnerable to the effects of contaminants due to their developing immune systems. Hello, guys. Welcome, my friends from United States. I'm introducing our endpoint scale inhibitor right now. So if you are interested, you can leave a message in the comment section. Our partners will contact with you as soon as possible. So let's move on. So it is important to do something to safeguard our health, like implementing proper water treatment methods. One common approach is use of water filtration systems. These systems are designed to remove impurities and improve the taste and odor of the water we consume, reducing the risk of waterborne diseases, and other health issues. In the meantime, it's also essential to consider the quality of water used for various household purposes. water treated with filtration system can also be beneficial for activities like cooking, washing fruits and vegetables, and even bathing. By reducing the presence of harmful substances, we can minimize the potential risks associated with using contaminated water in our daily lives. So, in response to these challenges, the development of environmentally friendly water purification equipment has been undertaken to address these concerns. These water purification equipment, such as pre-filter, as Rina already introduced for us, and central scale inhibitors, have been specifically designed to ensure water quality for the well-being of our children and families. They not only contribute to ensuring water quality, but also promote sustainability by reducing the reliance on the excessive chemical treatments or descaling agents. They help to minimize negative environmental impacts. These eco-friendly solutions play a crucial role in maintaining clean and safe water while minimizing harm to the environment. In addition to pre-filters and the central scale inhibitors, it is also important to address scale formation at the endpoints of water appliances. In a household, various of water appliances such as washing machines, water heaters, toilets, and shower heads, and so on, are particularly susceptible to scale build-up. To address this problem, endpoint scale inhibitors have been developed, and these products aim to effectively prevent the scale formation and ensure the optimal performance of water appliances. The core technology behind this product is called MSAP, which stands for Modified Bioactive Molecular Slow Release and Scale Inhibition technology. It's a food-grade technology derived from biologically active materials through special processes. When it comes into contact with water, it slowly dissolves.
Yeah.
Hello, new friends from Brazil. Welcome to our live broadcast room. I'm introducing our endpoint scale inhibitors right now. So if you are interested, you can leave a message in our comment section. Our partners will contact with you as soon as possible. So let's move on. This slowly dissolved and releases a large amount of weakly charged functional groups. These groups can impact with various cations such as copper ions, iron ions, calcium ions, magnesium ions, as well as anions like carbonate ions and sulfate ions. This interaction creates a weak electric interference effect, which can quickly deactivate scaling factors present in the water. Only a very small amount of MSAP is needed to effectively prevent the formation of scale, making it a highly efficient and cost-effective solution. So, so as you can see, what's in front of me is four main types of scale inhibition products. This model is specifically for the water heaters, and this model is designed for the scenario of dispensers and unsink beauty machines. And this is designed for the toilets and smart toilets. So this model is designed for dishwashers and washing machines. I will start with this model and the water heater one. So the bottom body is made of modified material and ensuring durability and longevity. This bottom cap is crafted from environmentally friendly copper, providing a secure and explosion-proof steel. So the water enters the inhibitor from this one and exist from the another, creating a seamless filtration process. It operates effectively within a water pressure range from 0.50 to 0.75 million pascals, and with a flow rate of 16 liters per minute. The recommended replacement cycle for the filter is 8 to 12 months, or when it has filtered a total of 30 tons of water. Additionally, it can function optimally in an ambient temperature range to 1 to 50 degrees. So the installation and dismantling of the inhibitor are incredibly convenient. As you can see, I already dismantle it by simply twisting it open. The process can be completely effortlessly. Inside a 316 low carbon stainless steel filter mesh is present, capable of filtering suspending solids, particles, and other impurities. This stainless steel material is known for its acid and alkali resistance. Hello, new friend. Hello, guys. Welcome to our live broadcast room. I'm introducing the endpoints scale inhibitor product. So if you are interested, you can leave a message in our comment section. Our partners will contact with you as soon as possible. So we also have other water-related products like Purificcattion and our smart water leakage detector and the water softener. So yeah, let's move on. The use of stainless steel ensures durability and longevity of the filter, providing reliable and efficient performance in improving water quality. The filter mesh can be utilized for a period of 8 to 12 months until it has filtered a total of 30 tons of water. At this point, it can be easily detached and replaced with a new filter. Upon opening the inhibitor, you will find the MSAP filter material, which is formed into a small white pure-like shapes. When shaken, you can hear the presence of the filter particles. So for an average household with 4 occupants, this filter materials can generally be used for 3 to 4 months, providing effective water purification during that time. It is important to routinely check and replace the filter materials to ensure continued water quality and optimal performance of the inhibitor. Under the national standard hard water test conditions, this scale inhibitor both. Hello guys, welcome to our live broadcast room. I'm introducing our endpoints scale inhibitor product right now. So if you are interested, you can leave a message in our comment section. Our partners will connect with you as soon as possible. So let's move on. So under the national standard hard water test conditions, this scale inhibitor boasts a scale inhibition rate of over 99%. Remarkably, each gram of the filter material can filter 2 tons of water and ensure efficient and reliable filtration. The filter cartridge is more durable, capable of purifying up to 30 tons of water, and very easy to replace. So this is our type. It is our model for the water heater. So next one is our model designed for the dishwashers and the washing machines. So as you can see, this it has similar parameters to the previous models, but it is rated water pressure is slightly lower, ranging from 0.50 to 0.4 million pascals. The entire bottom body is made of food-grade polypropylene material, which is both healthy and durable. Let me open it up. You can see the filter screen inside. This model uses activated carbon as the filter mesh, as the filter medium, and here you can also see the white pill-like shaped, MSAP biologically active scale inhibition material inside. And the next, let's turn into the model for water dispensers and undercount beauty machines. It has a larger shape. The bottom body is also made of a food-grade polypropylene material. And if we open it, you can see that the filter mesh is made of 316 low carbon stainless steel. Here you can also see the white pill-shaped MSAP biologically active scale inhibition material inside of it. So lastly, we have this model designed for smart toilets. One significant difference from the previous three models is that it has two water outlets. One connects to the toilet, and another one connects to the electric cover of the toilet. So as shown in the picture here, we can open it, and you can see that it has activated carbon filter cartridge inside. So wait a second. So in general, this endpoint scale inhibitor products. Scale inhibition products come into different designs and parameters, but are all made of healthy and environmentally friendly materials. They are designed to effectively filter impurities in water and reduce scale accumulation, ensuring clean and healthy water sources. These products are designed to be versatile and can be used in various water appliances such as washing machines, water heaters, toilets, and shower heads, and more. Users can choose the endpoint scale inhibition companion products that best suits their needs and the usage scenarios. So some products may have additional features such as temperature control and water flow regulation or adjustable settings to accommodate different preferences and requirements. It is important to consider factors such as the water quality in your area, the specific appliance being used, and the desired level of scale prevention when selecting the appropriate endpoint scale inhibition product. So, hello, new friends, welcome to our live broadcast room. Right now, I'm introducing the endpoint scale inhibition products. So, if you are interested, in the meantime, we also have other water-related products like a pre-filter and the water leakage. Smart water leakage detector and the water softener. So if you are interested, you can leave a message in our live broadcast room, in our comment section. Our partners will get contact with you as soon as possible. So next, so my time is up. So next, another of our of my partner Reed will introduce some more contents about the smart water leakage detector. So I hope you will like it. So let's welcome Reed.
Okay, thank you, Frank. Okay. Hello, guys. Good morning. Hello, guys. Good morning and good evening. This is Ruth. Now we are in Hangzhou to conduct this live broadcast. Hope you guys will enjoy it. So, every year, plumbing leakage causes billions of dollars of property damage in Europe and the United States. Well, according to EPA, water leaks cost the United States more than 13 billion US dollar a year. In the UK, householders lost 1 billion British pounds due to water leakage. Well, so water damage can result from a host of problems, many of which are difficult to predict. For example, like pipe cracks, seepage, and leakage are 3 normal leakage phenomena of water leakage. Due to the installation of pipes and water equipment, the leakage can happen at any time and cause damages to families. So anyone who comes from United States and UK or other European countries, did you guys have water leakage problems? If you guys have this issue, please leave me a message. I will give you solutions. So water leakage causes expensive damage. Fortunately, we can avoid this calamity. This is why we need a water leakage protector. So what is water leakage protector? Have you heard of this leakage protector before? All right, let me show you what is it. Well, water leakage protector monitors the flow of water through a pipeline. When abnormal behaviors are detected, the system cuts off the water flow to the entirety of the household by closing a valve within the leak detector. Therefore, no matter what kind of water leakage happened, water flow can be shut off from every water-using fixture and appliance, protecting the whole of your home from disasters and expensive damage. So in future, the water leakage protector will be one of 3 protectors in family, together with a gas leakage protector and electric leakage protector. All right. In the next few minutes, I will briefly show you guys our amazing water leakage protector. So are you guys curious? Well, before I introduce our water leakage protector, I will first introduce the traditional water leakage protector, because there are also traditional water leakage protectors on the market. Well, for the traditional technology of water leakage protector, which is distributed sensor probe type, it is easy to cause false alarm, especially in wet environments. Besides, the monitoring range is limited. The distribution location is difficult to determine, and the internal leak cannot be detected. The traditional water leakage protector is difficult to measure micro leakage due to the low measurement accuracy. Okay, guys, so the market is urgent need of advanced water leakage protector, and it with high measurement accuracy, large range scientific water leakage judgment mechanism, and easy to set and not easy to misreport. So guys, please look at this. This is our 4th generation AI adaptive ultrasonic water leakage protector, which is from purification technology. Do you guys understand this? Well, compared with traditional Producrt, we have mainly 6 core advantages. Okay, right now, I'm going to show you guys our first core advantage, which is easy setup. Our first core advantage, which is easy setup use mode. It has 3 modes. For example, like family of 1 or 2 person is mode 1, and the family of 3 to 5 person is mode 2, and the family of more than 6 person is mode 3. And each mode has a complete set of built-in button procedures, including pipe explosion, drip, and leakage. Consumers can simply set the disarming mode can be set under special water use conditions, and the original use mode can be restored after normal water use is restored. Okay, next I'm going to show you guys our second core advantage, which is the professional mode setting. Well, according to special appliance scenarios, such as large water storage equipment, or the needs of special commercial water use scenarios, the water consumption and the water duration can be flexible, set to meet various scenarios. Okay, guys, please look at this big screen. It is clear at a glance, and this is our third core advantage. It has a large LCD display. Use model on-off valves, and water use and other multiple information are clear at a glance, and it is easy to operate. Okay, next, our fourth core advantage is multiple water quality monitoring functions. Multiple data monitoring functions such as water temperature, water pressure, water velocity, and the cumulative flow, so you can know the situation well. By contrast, the traditional water leakage protectors does not have those functions. Guys, if you are on business, meetings, or traveling, if there was a sudden water leak, you may feel helpless, but don't worry. Our fifth core advantage is to use mobile app remote monitoring. So you can close gate at any time through app and remote operation. If there was a sudden water leaks, and you will receive a message from our last core advantage is a dual power supply, which can ensure the equipment keeps working and protect the safety of domestic water even in case of sudden power failure. Look at this. It has electric plug and electric lines. If electricity cut off, but don't worry, because inside it has a battery. It has backup power inside, so it will continue to work. Okay, guys, so this Producrt uses ostronic technology. it can accurately detect the flow rate and accurately judge whether there is a water leakage signal according to constant flow rate. This water leakage Producrt has high measurement accuracy from 2 liters per minute up to 4 tons per hour. Besides, it has a magic function. It uses AI technology to capture all types of water leakage. And this is our core advantage, the biggest core advantage. This is integrated water break filter with automatic control. One machine multiply function. Well, compared to the traditional water leakage Producrt, this Producrt is more safe and obviously is more advantage. So look at this technology. This water leakage Producrt has lead isolation, so it is more safe compared to the traditional water leakage Producrt. All right, guys, those are the things I have shared with you today. I hope it is helpful to you. If you guys are interested or have any demands, please click our link, which is on the top of our screen. And my colleague will answer to you. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me or share them in the comment box. Okay, guys, my time is up. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys will enjoy it. Okay, today our broadcast is tying up. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.
还有6分钟，
我说的太快了，他们也说的太快。
你应该都没关系。
So this water leakage Producrt has 6 core advantages. So the first core advantage is easy set use mode. It has 3 modes. Each mode has a complete set of built-in button procedure, including pipe explosion, drip, and leakage. And the second core advantage, which is professional mode setting. According to special application scenarios such as large water storage equipment. And the third core advantage is it has a big LCD display screen. Water use and other multiple information are clear at a glance, and you can see the information on this screen. It is very clear. and it is also very easy to operate. The fourth core advantage is multiple water quality monitoring functions, multiple data monitoring functions such as water temperature, water pressure, water flow velocity, and the cumulative flow. So you can know the water situation well. And the fifth core advantage is to use mobile app remote monitoring. So if you are on traveling, business, or meeting, if there was a sudden water leak, but don't worry. So you can master the water use at home anytime and anywhere. If there is abnormal water use, you can close the gate at any time through app remote operation. The last core advantage is dual power supply. So it can ensure the equipment keeps working and protect the safety of domestic water, even in case of sudden power failure. Well, guys, compared to traditional water leakage protector, this protector uses Australian technology, and it is the most advanced water leakage protector. And because it can accurately, use Australian technology, so it can accurately detect the flow rate and accurately judge whether there is a water leakage signal according to constant flow rate. This water leakage protector has high measurement accuracy. It is use AI technology to capture all types of water leakage. AI technology is our biggest core advantage. This is integrated with water Purificcattion, as Rina introduced before, Purificcattion. And one machine, multiple function. And this water leakage protector has lead isolation. So compared to traditional water leakage protector, it is more safe. All right, guys, thanks for watching. My time is up. So guys, see you next time. If you have any demands, please click on our link. And I will give you solutions. Okay, guys, see you next time. Bye bye.
1个1个小时，不然它不会记录时长。
那这是几秒？
还有2个。
这不是59吗？那我就先坐着。
可以再随便展，随机展，随机那个，随意发挥。
怎么时间不一样？你哪跳到这里啊？
你那个是它是提前开的，这个是那什么国际站的时间。你可以把那个先关，那个无所谓。把它国际站的时间。
这
这个就有点尴尬，也不知道在说什么，又重复的说了一遍。
你下次可以更新一下你的那个什么要说的东西，多加一点。比如说你要说20分钟的话，你可以准备30分钟，这样子。
对，你好了吗？你现在时间？
还没好1分钟。所以说你可以准备30分钟。
对呀，
你这准备的时间有点少。
我准备20分钟就了。
你按几分钟准备啊
？20分钟了。
没有讲，你这个是讲10几分钟。
对呀，我说快了。
所以说你可以准备30分钟。再加点，再加个几